Okay, here we have a 1960 Jaguar XK150 fixed head coupe. It's got the 3.8 liter dual overhead cam i6 engine, 4-speed manual with overdrive transmission. And this one's going for $44,000 even. Okay, here's the information. Okay, here we have a 1976 Triumph TR7 coupe. It has the 1998cc single overhead cam 4-cylinder engine, and it's got the 5-speed manual transmission. And this one's going for $9,900. Okay, next up we have a 1954 Jaguar XK120 Roadster. It's got the 3.4 liter dual overhead cam straight 6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This one's going for $96,500. Okay, here's a 1973 Porsche 914 1.8 Targa. It's got the 1975cc flat 4 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It's got 74,387 actual miles. And this one's going for $25,000 even. Here's the information on it. Okay, here's a 1981 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL convertible. It's got the 3.8 liter V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $9,995. Okay, here we have a 1967 Austin Healey 3000 MK3 Roadster. It's got the 177.7 cubic inch straight 6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. And it has 46,031 miles, but that's non-actual miles. Going for $44,900. We have a 1971 Triumph Stag convertible. It's got the 2,997cc V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, and this one's going for $16,900. Okay, here we have a nice 1980 Mazda RX7 coupe, going for $30,000 even. It's got the 1146cc rotary engine, 5-speed manual transmission. Okay, and here's the information. Okay, here we have a 1969 Opel GT with a 1.9 liter engine, 4-speed manual transmission. It's got 86,306 actual miles on it. And this is going for $26,000 even.